Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is a pretty awesome day. A day I've been waiting for since, well, January. If you have been following me along for any period of time, you know that I ordered a new engine for this Jeep right behind me. But before we get into that, stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Okay, now look at me and tell me how you're feeling. Try not to laugh or smile.
How can I not smile?
Well, you're all giddy.
I'm feeling pretty good. I've only ordered this thing, what, back in January? End of January?
You've only been talking about it for 16 years.
See if we can open her up. Hopefully it's all kind of like wrapped in plastic or something here.
Well, I would think.
It's like Christmas morning. Okay, this is probably, they do send break-in oil, which I'm going to use. And they send a gasket kit, which I'm not sure I'm going to use. But, valve cover gasket, throttle body mounting, fuel injector O-ring, oil pan, oil pump mounting, all that stuff. So, there she is. There she is. Ooh, ah. So we got, this is probably our break-in oil, I'm assuming. 30 weight, 6 times, 1 quart. So 6 quarts. I thought they were gonna install this, but I guess they didn't. You gotta put on your oil pump. It's a big deal. Put that on. Should be a gasket in there for that. And then, very nice little cradle. Let's see if we can get this off. I guess. Let's do that. Rear of the engine, this is the front of the engine. Here's your timing chain. Oh my gracious. Front of the crank. Sweet. Guess that means it's sealed. Spent a lot of money on it and been wanting one for a long time. How about it? Like, been talking about it since I was a teenager. So, and I finally have a stroker. Pretty excited. So I got the coolant drained out of the Jeep, got the bumper off, I'm getting ready to pull the grill off. That's just the start. I gotta bring all my parts out here now, and stuff that's been taking up room in the house. But we're gonna put all new stuff on this thing. So I pull the grill off and probably leave the fenders. And probably soon time I call my buddy, Rick, give you a call about put this thing together. But I am excited. What's this say? Warranty. That's the cool thing about S&J. You can register it for a warranty. They have a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Now they're not close to me, which kind of stinks. They're on the whole other side of the country, but they really stand behind their products, which is pretty nice. So. Oh, look